LG has shattered all the records in this IPO and has become the first IPO to cross 4 lakh crore subscriptions, led by the massive investor interest. This is because of its excellent financial figures, its market share and its reliable consumer goods and customer satisfaction. Many of the institutions has also given subscribe rating and some of them has given must subscribe rating to this IPO. Now the LG Electronics IPO allotment is out. If you're one of those lucky investors, you might have got an allotment. Now you might be thinking about what to do with this IPO post listing, whether to hold it, sell it or add more on the listing day. In this video, we are going to talk about the strategies which we can follow on the listing day. We all know that LG Electronics is one of the well-known brand name in Indian households. It is known for its durability, service quality and customer satisfaction. All these have led to a massive investor interest in this IPO. So the narrative completely changes now. I am going to hold this IPO for a longer term with the proper strategy behind it. So without any delay, let's understand the strategy. If you are new to this channel, I am Harshith Shetty. Subscribe to my channel for more financial contents without any nonsense. As the investor interest picked up, GMP started rising up. The current GMP of LG Electronics is standing at 35%. So this suggests that the listing gain is inevitable. We are going to get some listing gains, at least between 25% to 35%. But you need to understand that GMP figures are not fundamental metrics and they are not regulated by SEBI. So take it as an indicator only, but not as a factor which guarantees you some listing gains. Before watching this video, I recommend you to watch my full review video of this LG Electronics IPO, link given in the I button and in the description. So having said all this, let's dive into listing day strategy. As you all know, as investors, we all fall into two categories: short-term investors and long-term investors. So if you are a short-term investors and invested just for listing gains, this IPO is going to give that. The current GMP has peaked out to 35% already and there may not be additional headroom to grow. So take it cautiously and keep a stop loss to protect your listing gains, or just sell it off and book your profits. You need to understand that this is a very big IPO and whenever there is a big IPO, there is high liquidity. People might start selling their stakes and book their profits, which may bring the stock prices down immediately or within 1 or 2 weeks. So locking your profits is very important. Place your stop loss at your comfortable zones. Now for the long-term investor. What we can do as a long-term investor. Long-term investor does not mean that you should be holding all your life. What we can do is that we can hold it for certain period of time where it gives us maximum benefits. Now there is another important fact we need to understand as a long-term investor. Saving our capital and locking the profits is also important for us, because we also know the fact that we can take a fresh position in a stock whenever that stock falls into fair value zone. As a long-term investor, I am going to hold this stock for as long as possible, but I keep a stop loss trailing the profits at least 5 to 10% from its listing price. In case if there is a profit booking from high net investors, the stock price might come down and we need to protect our profits and capital. There is no doubt that this stock can be held for a longer period of time, and also you can accumulate more of its stocks whenever it comes to a fair value zone. So invest your hard-earned money very wisely. So what is your listing gain strategy in this particular IPO? Let me know in comment. If this video was helpful, give a like, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Follow the link given in the description and the comment section. Open your free Demat account with Motilal Oswal Financial Services and gain exclusive access to all my Discord channels where I regularly post stock recommendations, swing trade ideas, intraday ideas directly coming from Motilal Oswal Research Desk, one of the India's top research desks. To gain access to all these channels, follow the link given in the description and the comment section and join the growing community and invest alongside us. And also join my exclusive investor community with over 2,500 investors, link given in the description and the comment section as well. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.